Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. On this video I'm going to be showing you how I make this donut. This is just a very simple recipe to follow, and I hope you find it helpful. So yeah, let's get to the ingredients. So I'm going to be leaving the measurement at description, guys. Okay, so please make sure you check everything out. I'm using egg, flour, sugar, butter, a little bit of nutmeg. So I'm going to start off by adding the milk, melted butter, some yeast, salt into my bowl. I'm also going to crack the egg in there. I'm going to mix everything and allow them to sit for 10 minutes. This is to allow the sugar to be well melted. So I just put my towel on. I'm going to allow them to sit for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I'm going to add the flour into the mixture. So I'm using the fork to mix everything together. Okay, so go ahead and use your hand, or you can use a fork. So when I know that the dough is coming together, I'm going to take out the fork and use my hand to work in the whole dough. So I'm going to mix everything, like knead them. If they are too soft, go ahead and add a little bit of flour. Okay, make sure you don't add too much flour into it. So after kneading everything and the dough comes together, I'm going to cover them to stay for 1 hour. So I'm using my cling film to cover them. Okay, after the cling film, I still use the towel to put on top. I'm going to allow them to stay there for 1 hour. So after 1 hour, I'm going to take them out and I'm going to knead them for the second time. After kneading them, I'm going to start cutting the dough. So you can cut them in any shape of your choice. Okay, and before then I'm going to add them into my working board, as you can see there, and I'm going to be kneading them for a couple of minutes before cutting the donuts. So now I'm done kneading the dough again, so it's time for me to roll out and cut the donut to the shape of my choice. I'm using this my round cutter to do the cutting. You can use any one you have at home. Then I'm using this piping, what they call is this piping shape to give them that round middle shape. Okay, so just use anything you have to do all this. Okay, so after doing that, I'm going to add them into a tray or anything you have, or you can even leave them on your working space. So after cutting everything, as you can see there, I'm going to cover them and allow them to stay for another 1 hour before frying. So for frying, I'm using sunflower oil. You can use any brand of vegetable oil you have. So I'm adding it into my pan and I'm going to allow them to heat up before adding the donut dough. So I just throw in a little, just very little one, to check if the oil is hot or not. So now I start adding the main donut into the oil. So I love to stay there with the donut, like trying to use a spoon to put oil on top of each one for them to be well fried, So if you can do it, go ahead and get it done. Or you can really use, if you want to use a lot of oil to do this. So I'm going to fry both sides until they are brown. Then I will take them out of the oil. And also putting the oil on top of each one helps them to rise well. So I'm done frying all the donuts, as you can see. So in here I'm cutting them with some sugar. If you like it to add cinnamon, you can also add cinnamon on the sugar. So just coat them if you like them to be coated. If you don't like them to be coated on a sugar, you can skip this step. So guys, this is all for this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. God bless you all. Bye.